Hello, this is Lisa Bombard with Archadeck of Chicagoland. I'm here at a home in Bolingbrook where we've built a low-maintenance deck with a combination rail. And we have a really fun design that flows down to the yard nicely here, so I'll walk you through some of the details and why we chose the design that we did. So you can see coming from the yard, we have this fun wrap stair up to a landing, which their daughter calls the princess stage. Perfect for little kids. And this flows up with an angled stair to the deck. So it's a very inviting feel coming from the yard to the deck. And up here we have space for a dining table as well as a grill. And we always create our designs based on our clients' priorities and functional use, so how they want to use the space. So we've got enough space for that and a little wiggle room as well. And we've got a staircase on both sides. I expressed that that was an important detail. And you can see coming from the house here, we have the grill right next to the door, so easy access from the kitchen when they're grilling in colder weather. And we have the stairs right near the door as well. That way it's a nice clear path to the stairs out to the yard and a convenient traffic pattern. Then we have some fun details. We have a herringbone pattern here with a parting board in the center that's a different color. You can see we went with a darker accent board that pulls out the darker streaking in the TimberTech silver maple, which is the main deck board they've chosen. And then we have a combination rail. So this is a mix of pressure treated pine and low maintenance materials. A nice way to get low maintenance, but also keep the cost down a bit and minimize the maintenance. So we've got a board here on top that's a nice dark gray blue to match their accent board in the middle. And we have these aluminum spindles. This is one of my favorites. This is a round spindle and it's matte finish and it's black. So when you're standing on the deck looking out into the yard, it really blends in very nicely, so it doesn't feel so much like you're caged in. And this is called a drink rail because this top is very wide and flat, making it convenient to set things on like drinks or to lean on if you're entertaining. And lastly, you can see we have some strip lighting under the railing. Now, of course, I'm here during the day, so we can't see how beautifully it lights up the deck, but this is a really pretty accent piece to do for the decking or the railing or the stairs if you're going to be outside on your space at night. And we have another very happy client. He said he was thrilled with the process and everything went very smoothly.